welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. Sorry, installation failed error code 182. So the error code 182 occurs during the installation of Adobe Creative Cloud applications such as Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, or maybe Premiere Pro, and is typically related to the system compatibility or misconfigurations. And through this video, I'm going to show you the steps to fix the issue. So the first one, you can check for the system compatibility. Ensure that your device meets the system requirements for the Adobe applications you are trying to install. You can check for the OS, the Windows 10 or maybe 11 or Mac OS version, and the available disk space. And also the last one is the GPU and CPU specifications. The second one, you can update your graphic drivers. So the error 182 often occurs due to outdated or incompatible graphics drivers. So for Windows, you can press on the Windows plus R on your keyboard, and then just find dev mgmt.msc and then hit on OK or enter, and you'll see this device manager. Now you can expand the device adapters. Find it in here. I seems gonna find it. Okay, so you can just expand the device adapters. Right click on your GPU and select update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers. And the third one, you can modify installation preferences. So use the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. You can just open the Creative Cloud app and then go to the application causing the issue and then select the ellipsis icon and choose other versions and install an older compatible version. You can also run the Adobe Creative Cloud kernel tool. And the next one, you can set your system language to English, because some users have resolved this error by temporarily changing their system language to English, whether it's US or UK during installation. You can click on your Windows and go to the settings and find the time and language, this one. Then search or click on this language and region, and then set the preferred language into English, but I already did, so I don't need to do it. And you can also check for other software conflicts. You can disable or uninstall software that might interfere with the Adobe installation, such as antivirus or firewall software, or maybe a VPN or proxy services. You can also install Adobe in compatibility mode for Windows. And the last one, you can try to contact the Adobe support. So if the issue persists, you can contact them and they can provide detailed guidance to your specific situations. And that's very much all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.